Hi there, my name is Jim Sheridan and this is Stephanie Sheridan, and we started Unforked in the year 2011. At Unforked, we want you to rethink what you think you know about food. We want you to know that we make our food here from scratch, and what we make for you has not been in a warmer, it's been made for you when you order it.
There's something for everyone, whether you're a mom with kids or teenagers or older people, we've got you covered.
We had a fire in the building. It was terrible, terrible smoke, along with the firemen tore things up in here as they should to make sure that the whole building wouldn't have caught on fire. 5 days later, our insurance company told us that we were going to need to hire somebody to come in to do a renovation. I called Justin at NCRI and met with him, and 2 days later we signed our contract.
It was devastating, honestly, to see something we worked so hard for to be gone in no time.
One of the big reasons why we hired NCRI was because we understand they're experts. This is what they do, and that's what we needed. We needed somebody that was going to look out for our best interests. From the very start, I have felt that NCRI was looking out for our best interests, and that's a really, really big deal to us. So I want to say thanks to them for that, and we really appreciate it.